Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be removing the glove box out of my 2012 Audi A4. So this procedure will also apply to A5s, S4s, S5s as well as Q5s. So the first thing we need to do is actually remove this Audi music interface box. So to do that you actually require a special tool. So the tool will get inserted here and here, and essentially it will release two clips, and this usually would pull out. But again, we don't have any special tools, so I'm going to use a screwdriver, right? So the way this works is you take a screwdriver, make sure it's a very thin screwdriver like this, and you push it into this hole. Okay, and when you do that, you should be able to move towards the outer edge and essentially get this lever out of the way. So we'll leave that there, and then we'll take another screwdriver for the other side, push that in there. You won't be able to see this, and push it towards the edge, push this towards the edge. Oops. And then this should come out. There you go. With that loosened, this should come out quite easily. Okay. Next we'll basically remove this connector by pushing this tab in and pulling out. What we'll do is take this cover out. So I'll take a screwdriver and pop this side. And with that, this cover should easily come out. And then in terms of the bolts that are holding this glove box in place, we have a bolt here. We have a bolt here. We have another bolt here. Then we have a bolt here. And then we have a bolt here. And then behind that we have a bolt. And then we have a bolt at the back of the glove box over here. And then another bolt down here, which is hidden by the NMI box. And then we have two other bolts underneath the glove box, one here and another one here. So before the glove box can come off, this little trim piece down here needs to be removed. So way to do that is by putting your finger at the back here and pulling on the trim piece, and it should unlock. All right, let's get these bolts removed. I'm using an 8mm socket. All right, with the bolts removed, the glove box can come out of there. Okay, so I'm just gonna rest the glove box on the floor.